Hello, my name is Bryce Green. Welcome to my ASL vlog. My name is Bryce Green, and welcome to my ASL vlog. I'm a hearing person, not quite an ASL expert, but I am a student at the University of Georgia. Go Dogs! It was there 3 years ago that I began practicing and studying sign language. Now I work here, Optimal Hearing, which will abbreviate OH. Optimal Hearing, it's a hearing aid company. After graduating, I want to continue studying sign language and study audiology as well. I love ASL. I really love ASL. I'm passionate about the deaf community, deaf culture, and hard of hearing people alike. I want to share this passion with you. You can learn ASL too. Learning a new language, it's fun. It's also an excellent skill to add to your skill set. But more importantly, learning ASL will help you to experience this whole new captivating world you may otherwise not have gotten the chance to know had you not learned ASL. ASL is best learned how? What's the best way to pick up the language? Throw your voice out. Throw out your English grammar. Most of the time, my voice will be off. Lips zipped, key thrown away. Thank you so much for watching my first video. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe for many more videos to come in the future. Thank you. Illy. Bye.